All right, just looking for dangers and I don't see Eddie. I'm happy to proceed. G'day, mate. Open your eyes. Open your eyes, mate. No response. Do you want to try pain?
Open your eyes. Hello, can you hear me?
Nothing. Do you mind doing a quick sit rep? We've got an unconscious patient.
APC
Opening the airway.
We have
Clear.
male patient.
I can see breathing, which is good. And I have a pulse, so our disability is unresponsive. I've exposed the top half. I'll do a very quick check. And I'm not seeing Eddie bleeding, but I am a bit worried about that pelvis, so we'll come back to that in a moment. Because it was a patient hit by a car, we might put a collar on if that's okay. And then I'll get you to do a bunch of obs for me. So, you hold still, you got him?
Yep.
Cool. Okay, collar's on. And I'm happy with my airway, breathing and circulation, so if you don't mind grabbing a set of obs, and we'll work through. Now, GCS, I'm pretty sure is going to be a 3 because we didn't get any response. I got no eye opening. Try some nail bed pressure. Open your eyes, mate. Nothing. Okay, so we've got GCS 3, eyes 1, no voice and no motor. And you're getting those obs. I might just do an RSA quickly while you're doing that. So, I mean, he's unconscious. He's breathing okay. Okay, got a clear chest, rest rate of 12, no increased work of breathing. I'm okay with his respiratory status. Now you've got the monitor on and we'll do a blood pressure and heart rate. So his skin here is a bit pale and obviously he's unconscious. We've got a BP of 90 on 60 and we've got a heart rate of 110. So that's he's in poor perfusion. We'll check the monitor and the rest of the obs as we go. We've got a time critical patient because he's been involved in an MVA and is unconscious and has that poor perfusion. Have you done a BSL?
No.
No? Cool. No, thanks. I can see the SATs on the screen there. Cool. I'll just do a quick BSL. Click.
Temperature is 36.8.
No worries.
Pupils are sluggish but reactive.
Okay, and we've got a BSL of 5.6. Excellent. Our backup's just arrived. Come on over, guys, and I'll give you a quick sit rep. So we actually don't know a lot about this patient. We know he was struck by a car, unconscious GCS 3, heart rate of 110 now, and BP, last BP we took was 90 on 60, but he's breathing okay and we're clear with A, Bs and Cs. What we'd actually like to do, I need to do a little bit more assessment. Can you guys manage extrication for me? So what I need is combi carrier, and I am worried about his pelvis. I don't know if it's fractured, but we're going to put on a splint just to be sure. So if the two of you and Jen don't mind organising that, and interrupt me if you need while I'm doing my assessment. I'll help if I can.
All right, let's just get this, Jamie. If you don't mind, just go on that side. Just go and move this out of the way. Just take a pelvic binder and clip that. Unclipping it, just slide it your way behind here. Sorry, Jen, I'm just going to move this slightly out of the way. Get the proxoxy off. Right, Simon and Jamie, you're going to be helping me with the log roll. And it's going to be on Jen's count. Jen, just tell them what count you actually want, but it's going to be 1, 2, 3.
3 when we're all ready.
Yep,
Just
ready.
going to make sure it's all out of the way.
On 3, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, just go. Not past 15 degrees, just wait for me. Just do a quick blood sweep. Okay, no blood, it's fine.
Down
Jen,
on 3,
on your side.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, the two of you for now, if you don't mind, just come around.
Sure.
Don't step over the patient. As before, on Jen's count.
Everyone ready?
Yep, ready.
On 3, 1, 2, 3.
Let's go. Pulling out lower on Jen's count.
On 3, 1, 2, 3.
All right, Jamie, if you don't mind, directly opposite the patient. Let's just move this down a little bit. It's got to be over his pelvic area. Graded trochanter. Okay, just be nice and smooth. Can you hold that for me as well? Count to 3. 1, 2, 3, down, and that's it. Click. All right, pelvic binder on, team leader.
Lovely. If you don't mind putting straps on him, I'll get another set of obs and then we'll put him onto the stretcher. So I'm just doing another BP. Heart rate hasn't changed at 110. Mate, open your eyes. Open your eyes, mate.
We'll just do the
GCS
shoulder
unchanged. I'm
first.
still getting a GCS 3. Now his rest rate, I'll just do that while you're doing that.
Try and get in underneath here. Okay, just lift a little bit.
Okay, rest rate hasn't changed at 12. Jenny. I'll grab that for you.
Thank you.
Okay, you can put yours over there for me and I'll take this short one. And we need to actually clip it over here, onto this one over here. We just don't pull it too tight over the chest. He's battling to breathe as it is. Can you just untwist that, Simon?
Yeah, sure.
Not too tight.
Good.
Make sure we squeeze this up a bit. Alright, we'll do one more. On a bit of a terrain, we'll actually just secure his arms over here. I'll grab the short one.
Just going to take, obs haven't changed. I'm just going to take the monitor off while we lift.
And twist it. Do you need help your side? I'm just going to lift him a little bit.
Thank you.
Not the greatest for the pelvis. Right, we'll just secure his arms like that. He's unresponsive. Not too tight. Alright, we want a bit of a slope. I'll just do the foot one. Let's just cover him a little bit. Alright.
Jens, do you mind helping me just lower the stretcher down?
Will do. Alright, leave it down one. I'll just go down one more, Simon. One more. This is patient height for me.
Yep. There we go. And we'll give a slight tilt to the head. And I'm just going to clear our space, guys, so we've got
Nice and
free
secure.
movement.
Let's just twist you a little bit. That's fine.
Thank you.
Cool, ready. You can put
Right.
it.
Okay, so for the lift, because Jen's going to take the head end, if Jens and I take the top and Jamie takes the feet, is that okay?
Which way are we going to go? This
Do you
way and
have
that way?
enough? So we'll go up. Yeah, good point. We'll go up. We'll move back, and then we'll come straight over the top of the stretcher and lower down. Is everyone okay to lift
Yes.
with this one? And we'll do it on Jen's call. 1 second.
Is everyone ready?
Ready.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Towards Jen. And straight down. Lovely. Okay, let's
Okay.
get some straps on.
So put the side rails up.
And just one strap from your side there, Jens, if you don't mind.
There we go.
Of your work. Now we'll work together to lift the stretcher up and then we'll take him over to the truck.
All right.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
You call
one-
Jens.
Yeah, I've got it. We'll come to Jen's side.
Can you reach in the handle there?
Yeah, I'll be okay with this.
3.
Just go nice and easy. One. Just going to go 1, 1, 1 for now.
Yeah.
Came in a little
So
bit
we've got one more to
higher.
go.
Sorry, Jen.
Okay. We're going to move towards the truck this way at Jen's call.
Make sure it's all the way up.
Oh, sorry, Jens.
Here we go. Brakes off. Make sure they're both off. Just hang on, stand by.
Good work.